Okay, let me introduce you to the ATM Trading System. I call it the ATM system because it's similar to your bank ATM machine. When you go to your bank's ATM, you're not expecting to take $5,000 out of the ATM. Most ATMs have a maximum that you can withdraw, say maybe a couple $100 or a few $100. Well, the system is similar. What you're looking to do, especially for new traders who haven't had success, a lot of it is due to lack of discipline, patience in taking the proper setups. The ATM system solves that problem and allows you to be disciplined, wait for the setups, and it's very picky. But when the setups come, they're high probability. You take your daily goal. If your daily goal is maybe 50, if you have a small account, maybe a $5,000 account, your daily goal may be only $50 after expenses. If you have a larger account, maybe it's 200 or 250, or if you've got a good size account, obviously, you could take $1,000 a day or more, just depending on. I don't recommend that you risk more than 2% on any one single trade in the futures, and we go over this in the instructional video. But basically, there are three parts to the system. We have our trend line. We always want to go in the direction of the trend. We have our ATM price filter that colors the bars. If the bars are red, we're only looking at shorts. If they're blue, we're looking for longs. We have our ATM line. This tells us whether we can go long or short. Blue is set for longs, whether the momentum is in our favor. This also plays in with our exit strategies. Red means the pressure is to the downside here, and we're only going to be looking for shorts. So basically, we want to look for the trend. As long as this line is sloping up, it would be an uptrend. If it's sloping down, we consider that a downtrend for this time period, or this tick period. So let's just take a look. The market opens here. What we're looking for is a cross where in this case, the slope of our trend line is up. We're looking for our first blue bar or candle here to cross above our trend line. Once that happens, once it closes, we're looking at our ATM line. It's got to be blue to match our blue ATM price filter bar. And we're looking for the momentum to be to the upside here, the green bars. So we're just going to enter at market. In this case, 98.50. And if you're new, you may just take the first 10 points and exit, or you can use the momentum to determine your exit. And that's simply, as long as the momentum bars continue to increase, you can stay in the trade until you get 2 consecutive pullbacks in momentum. So here we had 1, 2 pullbacks in momentum. That means we have to exit right here on the close of that bar at 98.73. That gives us 23 points on that trade. If your goal was, let's say you're trading a 3-lot is your maximum number of contracts that you can trade based on your account size, then you'd be looking at about $345. So if your goal for the day was $250 or $200, you're done for the day. In the system, once you hit your daily goal, you want to shut down, end your day, go on to the next day. What you don't want to do is continue to trade all day and overtrade. So we'll just go to the next day. Okay, now we're coming in. We're looking at our trend line is favoring longs here. And we look, and here we get a setup. We get our blue price filter bar to close, kind of split that trend line, close above it. We see our momentum is positive here. So we can enter that trade, and we're either going to take that first 10 points, or you wait until we got a couple quick pullbacks on the bars here. That closes at 97.84 from 97.78. So just about 6 points there if you didn't take the 10. Worst case, you took the 6. Not quite hitting your daily goal there yet. Our trend is still up here. We're just looking for longs. Okay, here we get another close. That's price filter bar is blue there, with our slope is up. Momentum is the ATM momentum there is positive, and we can get in this trade. You can either take your 10 points, or you can follow the momentum bars. They increase. They finally have 2 pullbacks here, which means we're going to exit right at here, right at the peak of the initial move there, which would be 98.16 from the long at 97.94. So that's going to give you about 22 points on that trade, and now you're done for the day. And you continue to repeat the process each day you come in. Now, every day may not be profitable, but the key is to follow the system. Don't overtrade. When the setup happens, especially early, so you can get your done day early, get your points, hit your goal, be done for the day, go do something else, and come back the next day. Hope this has been helpful, and I hope this will be useful for you, especially if you're a new trader looking to be profitable at the end of the week, at the end of the month for the first time.